In this video, I will show you how to connect Stripe to Google Antigravity so your agent can create payments, manage customers, and work with your Stripe account directly. So we can connect this by using mcpserver. So if you hover your mouse on this agent, if you don't see the agent, just open the agent, click on those three dots, and here mcpservers. Here you can find or look for Stripe. So you can see we have this Stripe MCP server, and in order to connect it, just click on it, click on install, and now we need to paste our Stripe secret key here. So if I go to my Stripe, I can simply search for API, and then you want to go to developers/API keys. And here you can see publishable key and secret key. So you want to copy your secret key. I'm gonna blur this and I'm gonna paste it here. Click on save. And now you can see the Stripe is enabled. So you can click on tools, and here you can see all of the Stripe tools you can use. So for example, you can create customer, you can list customers, create products, list products, etc. So there's really many things you can do. And this is going to be all for this video. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.